I finally run out of patience. But yes, it's finally done. And here's the final result. Today, I'm going to teach you something that can make you thousands of dollars. Something that no one will teach you for free. But I'm going to lay it all on the table in this video. This video has 3 steps. Number 1, how to find clips and footage that are both high quality and how to avoid copyright issues. Number 2, a complete edit with CapCut from scratch to making money, exactly the way YouTube accepts it. Number 3, and most importantly, the secrets of going viral and professionally uploading videos on YouTube. If you watch this video until the end, you'll have a real roadmap to earning dollars just with your phone. So, if you're really looking to make money, not just watch a video, stick around till the end, because your journey can start right here. I have some surprise for those who watch till the end to help their videos go viral. Well, here's the first section, which might be the most important part in this video. Where can we find football footage that won't give you a copyright strike? Yes, YouTube is not joking around with copyright, but I know how to bypass it. You can never find football clips without copyright, but you have to edit and modify them in a way that YouTube won't catch you. And I'll explain it all to you right now. To find clips, we have to use YouTube itself. Anything you need is there. For example, if I want to find clips from Messi's time at Barcelona, I search Messi clips in Barcelona. You can see here, there are tons of clips you can browse through. And if you like any, you can download and use them. Or for example, if I want clips from Ronaldo's time at Real Madrid, I search Ronaldo clips in Real Madrid. And here, just like before, there are tons of clips to choose from and use. But here's the most important parts. Don't think that just because you've downloaded this, you can upload them as is. Because YouTube is sensitive with that, and you will definitely get a copyright strike. If you want to avoid that, I'm here, don't worry. Alright, so first you need to blur all scoreboards, sponsors, and watermarks. Because if you don't, YouTube will definitely catch it. To blur, you need to add your videos on CapCut and focus on the part you want to blur. Then make a copy of the video, drag it below the original video, go to the effects section, select blur, then select the object overlay, set the intensity to 50. Now go to the copied video, go to the masking section, choose circle and adjust it until it fits over the desired area, and you're done. The second step is that your clip shouldn't be longer than 4 or 5 seconds, and then you should quickly transition to another scene. The third step is to mute the original sound of the clips and replace it with a trending song or anything you like, but be careful with copyright. And finally, effects, including color correction, shake effect, and many other things I will teach you in this tutorial. Now let's move on to the second part, which is how to edit in a way that's profitable and cool in CapCut. This is the edit I based my example on. That's super cool, bro. Alright guys, as you can see, I've added all the clips here. These are the same clips I showed you how to find. Now to add the song, I will import the clip I mentioned and extract the audio from it. After that, I'll mark all the bits. Make sure to do this part carefully so the edits turn out clean. Once I've marked the bits, I'll delete that clip because we only need its audio. Now guys, I wanna teach you a few things that can help you make thousands of dollars. Of course, you'll need to put in some efforts to make your edits exactly profitable. For example, let me show you how to do this marker player effect. It can really make your clips more engaging. To do this, go to overlay section and add these triangle shapes. If you don't have them, no worries, bro. I've shared them in my Telegram channel. Then choose the specific player you want to apply this to and place the triangle above their head. Now, in the basics section, add keyframes every few milliseconds as the player moves, and basically you're doing a kind of tracking. When the ball reaches the player, I want the triangle to change color from red to green. So I'll add another triangle and repeat the same steps. At this point, the player goes off screen, so our work here is done. To make it even cooler, we can add the player name. Pick a font you like, click on style, and tweak the shadow settings. Now our text is ready. Just like with the triangle, we need to track it as well. And this is what we've got so far. Now I'm gonna sync my clips to the beats and apply Twixtor to make everything smoother and more sync with the music. You can watch what I'm doing. Just play around with those points to get the look you want. Alright, I've done that for all the clips. Next up is adding a shake effect. Go to the effects section, then nightclub, and choose shake. Set it to all videos from the object tab. Now make it shorter so it's placed right between two clips. Then go to adjust and tweak the setting like I do. Once done, copy it to all the clips. Now choose blur from the effects section and follow what I do. And copy my setting. Then duplicate the blur effect 5 times so your screen look like mine. Copy all these effects to the next sections too. Next, from the animation tab, select this animation and apply it to all ports. To make it more even epic, add a widescreen, set it to overlay, and give it a fade in and fade out effect. Copy it across all sections. Now when Messi scores, I want goal to turn green. Alright, so you know what I mean. So that's what I will do. I finally run out of patience, but yes, it's finally done, and here's the final result. Alright, now let's talk about how actually these videos go viral, which is the most important part, right? Let's start with this. Say your edits are insanely good and you know all the YouTube rules. Now it's time to learn how to upload them properly so you get the right settings and actually go viral. This is the secret I mentioned at the beginning of the video. First thing first, upload your videos on YouTube Studio in desktop mode, because it gives you way more settings. Even if you're on a phone, just open your browser and search for YouTube Studio and switch to desktop mode and click on the link. Now click here to upload your video. Hit upload video and drop in the edit we just made. Before we talk about the important thing, the important settings, just a quick reminder: to enable monetization on YouTube, you need 10 million short views in 3 months and 1,000 subscribers, or instead you can get 4,000 hours watch times, but from long videos. Anyway, moving on. For a proper upload, you need to choose a good and catchy title. For a proper upload, you need to choose a good title. This is super important. For example, smoothest edit ever, or instead, you'll reply this 100 times. Those are solid, but try to come up with your own unique and iconic ones. Now let's get into the description. What you write here impacts how YouTube understands and promotes your video, which can really help boost your income. In the first 2 lines, describe your edit. For example, Messi made Ronaldo cry with this goal. Never mess with the GOAT. I just tell you, for example, don't fuck me in comments. Alright, I'm sorry, alright. Then add 3 to 5 relevance tags related to your niche. Something like football edit, or Messi, or FYP, or viral videos, or Cristiano Ronaldo, anything you think is better. Alright, this can be really effective. Next, scroll down and make sure to select no, it's not made for kids. This is super important. If you get this wrong, YouTube might limit your video and that can cut your revenue by 100 times. Scroll a bit more and for the AI section, select no. Since we didn't use any AI in the video, this doesn't apply to us. You can skip the next three options, they're not important. In the text section below, add the same text you used in the description. The rest of the option can be left as default. From this part, choose your video category. For football edits, it's best to set it to entertainment. Alright, so scroll down, there's nothing else to change, so let's move on the next step. In the section, you can link your short to one of your long videos, and below that there's the subtitle section, which isn't necessary. Alright, on the next screen, YouTube will check your video and finally you'll be ready to publish it. But the most important things now is the upload time. It can make a huge difference. So what should you do? Try uploading at different times to test when you get the most views. And if your channel has been around for a while, you can check analytics audience to see when your viewers are most active. Upload your videos around those times. If you wanted to upload it for 2 days later, just use the schedule feature to set it exact time and date. And that's everything you need to know about uploading the football edits, going viral and making money from them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel. You can watch these tutorials too.